Atongoria acio aria maranĩirie na andĩki a mohoro mũciĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Nakuru maugĩte kambuni ya KCC ĩkoretwo na ũguni mũnene kũrĩ mũingĩ kuonania ya thirikari.
It has come to the general knowledge to the farmers that KCC is out for grabs. It's going to be privatized. It will be privatized. We would like to reiterate that we as farmers who deliver milk to new KCC, we would like that one to happen.
Nĩgũraga iria kuma kũrĩ arimi gũtarĩ mũtutukanio wa kana mũrĩmi nĩ mũmemba wa kambuni ĩyo ona kana rita cia iria rĩake.
KCC is supposed to cater for the small scale farmer. And their main duty is to buy milk and sell the same commodity so that the farmers can live to us as farmers.
Na kwoguo nĩkĩo KCC ndio kũrĩ mũndũ kiumbe.
So if we take this away from the citizens, what is going to happen? We are going to have another issue like the other time when we had milk being poured in Nyandarua. So that is the point, and we cannot privatize everything.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, njitagwo Jerry wa Ndung'u.
No